I'm gonna share with you in this video the best, in my opinion, the best app to clean your MacBook, to inspect your files, because as you know, you can't really go into details to really can inspect and really depth all the files on your MacBook. But using these third-party apps, you can inspect, you can clean your MacBook, and I'm gonna share with you all the apps I found helpful on MacBook. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any seconds. So the first one here is clean my MacBook. This one here, I'm just gonna power off this app. Clean my Mac. And this is the first one, and I don't have the full version, but I still, if you don't have the full version, still you can find it. You'll see that it's helpful, especially help me with the files here, so you can inspect all your files, and here you can see which apps are really taking you a lot of space from your machine, from your MacBook. So this can be helpful because you can't really see in depth all the files are taking a lot of space from your machine. So space, no space, what I forgot what it's called. So let's go actually manually, let's go to desktop, clean, and storage. Yeah, so you can also write command here. We can write storage. I forgot the name. So yeah, here in storage you can see your files, but you can delete your document, delete applications. You can really check exactly all the details. So that's why I found this app useful. Now the second one is this one here. I'm gonna show you right now. 1 second. So is this one here? It's DC. Okay, it's this one, and okay, no, I don't have. Yeah, you're gonna have to pay. You have like to register, and it's like $10, I believe. So let me open the. Can continue trial here. But what you can actually scan. You see, scan as it means show in Finder, get info, scan folder. You click on here and scan a folder. Say I want to scan this one here, and you can scan that folder. It's very helpful. Just can allow it, and then if you like to access to allow, and this is trial mode, but the actually the official website, and this is the website. You have to head over to this website, and then you can try for free and install this. And now here we can see these scan folders. For this one here, you see the system, users, system, application, library, free space, and you can click on here on space. Now you can see the volumes. I can check all the details. You can right click and show in Finder, and that's why I find this very helpful. Sometimes it's kind of hard to navigate through all the files, and you don't know exactly where it's at. I mean, of course, the Finder I think is super powerful in on MacBook. I think it's really powerful. But yeah, sometimes you're looking for an app, looking for some files that are taking a lot of space on your MacBook, and you don't know exactly where it's located. So sometimes third-party apps, I believe they're very helpful. Of course, you can use the Finder here. I found it very helpful. You can use like time right here, like times time. Yeah, I think it's very helpful, the Finder. But as I said, you can really go really in depth using this kind of the apps. You know exactly where it's at. Is here, and you go to users, then you see the location, and you click on here and you see the location. You can actually go now to Finder and delete that app, or you can use this app to really inspect and delete. So yeah, you see also drag and drop files here to collect them. You can free up your space and really see. You can click on here. It's pretty nice, this one, pretty interesting. You can right click, open in terminal, showing Finder, preview, expand documents. So yeah, that's now let's move to the next app. Now another app that's very powerful, especially if you want to really dig deep and really scan a lot of apps, and also you might find helpful if you want to recover deleted files, which is this one, disk drill. Of course, is available on macOS, and here you can see a elegant interface. Now let's actually download this app first. Allow. Oh, let's click on here. Okay. Okay, let's install it. This drill. Let's open. It's asking me to install it. I'm gonna have to open security and enable this. Use password, and now I already checked this. Okay, and this one. Now let's open the app. Please need to wait. So this is the app, disk drill. We can see here a lot of details. We can use it to for data recovery, as I said before, but you can also scan for lost data. You can actually do a deep scan, as I said. So yeah, if there's something you should look for about, you need something to really dig deep to scan your machine really deep. You can use this, very helpful, also for recovery. Now let's move to the next app. Okay, so the next app I think is really great for those that are looking for ways to delete duplicated files on your machine. So this is going to remove all the duplicate files and really free up your disk space by removing duplicate files and similar photos. This is a great app. I'm not going to install it again, this app, because I just don't have to, but you know, that's the main idea of this app. If that's what you're looking for, this is the right app for you. You can click on free downloads. Thank you for downloading, and then you can enter your on allow here, and then you just wait for this download. Very easy. Now click on here, drag and drop. Now let's open Germany app, and to see the interface, Germany. Okay, this is the app, sorry. And now click on accept and scan for duplicates. And photos, no. And okay, scan completed. What will be removed? Cloned applications found. Okay, we do have some found applications, some duplicates. So let's clean it up, and also let's check the full version. Purchase a plan to remove trial limitation, experience all the benefits. Okay, I was just curious to see activate now by plan. It's curious to see like what are the full benefits. But anyways, let's see if we can clean up right now. Actually, we can't. We have to buy. Anyways, yeah, we can view the results, which is really important. So because we can do also what I like about this, that I can do this myself. I just have to look for all the files, which of course will take way more time than just using the app, but you can still have this option. You can look for the apps. Let's say you go to the Finder, and then here now I will find open Finder. Then here I can search for mesh, let's say. Let's see if I can. But of course I can. Name contains mesh. And oh, of course you can add more, not this. You can add more details here, so you can search exactly this folder. No. If you want, and this can be helpful to really clean your space. You can go back to Finder here. I can press Command F. I can search here whatever file I want from here to delete. Mesh and kind, and here this is a folder, and I have this file here. Now I can click on last opened maybe, or contains, whatever, and now I can delete the files instead of. But yeah, this is helpful. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.